My name is Jesse Gomez. I am a sophomore here at Tillamook High School, and today I'm going to teach a new student called Hayden how to weld for the very first time. So this is what you use to weld. Are you a lefty or a righty? And this one is where you can find your gloves. Go like about 3 times just to get it heated up. Okay. It's like if you scribbled on a piece of paper, it looks like that basically. So it's on. Now place it on the metal and start like just coloring with it. Round, right there, then just keep going. Honestly, that doesn't look too bad, you know.
All right, my name's Hayden Bush. I'm one of the CTE teachers, specifically in agriculture here at Tillamook High School. We offer offerings in all 4 of the agricultural science pathways, which would be animal science, plant science, leadership and business, as well as mechanics. And so we're going to look at our facilities here a little bit and learn a little bit more about the program. Basically, the computer is going to give you all your readout detail information on things like torque and horsepower. But then also there's the attachment purchased here that they can do motorcycles. Makes it a little bit more usable. A lot of our kids have some of those toys at home.
I'm Cody Hoffer. I'm a senior here at the high school.
I'm Derek Stelzig. I'm also a senior at the high school, and this is our drag cars. This one, and there's that one over there. It's our Ford Mustang over here. It's only gone down the track, what, 4 times?
3 or 4 times, well, halfway down the track.
Yeah.
So we ended up actually blowing the motor. Some things were not quite in perfection. So we just got done rebuilding this motor.
Yeah, I think it's from the haulers.
Yeah.
Me personally, I'm actually going to a hot rod school. So anything like custom fab, like we redid the whole rear. It's an actual frame now because normally cars are just their own frame. So the whole rear is all redone completely. And whether it's welding or, sheet metal bending, we did here to cut it from the cab. And so this from right here all back is completely new. So, basic little things that not everyone gets their hands on to do. So simple stuff like that.
I'm Johnny Begin. I teach at Tillamook High School, and welcome to our shop here at Tillamook. I've been teaching here for 7 years now in the mechanics shop, and this is my advanced mechanics class. We got some really cool tools in here, and kids are working every day out in the shop on projects. We try to run this kind of like a business and get kids ready for the industry if they decide to go out into the field. Right here.
There's the body mount.
Right here on this body mount. He can hook it up here and hit 150 miles an hour and blow up his car in here instead of out, where he's endangering himself and others. So.
It's more of a hands-on. That's a big thing for me. I'm not a big sit-down type of person, like getting my hands on stuff and whatnot. Learning new skills is a big thing for me. Definitely so much fun just trying to get under here, do as much as I can, and learn way more talents than I would at just home or playing video games or whatever everybody else does.
We can touch a lot of lives of a lot of students, but it's still all based around the principles, the ideals, the responsibilities that fall within the agricultural, industrial technology fields, and kind of equip students with at least some skills to succeed in no matter what they choose after high school.
Hello, my name is Hayden, and this is my first time welding. How did I do?
So you honestly did good for your first time. You did what I did, and it was just very good. It wasn't like good as mine, but it's like really good for a beginner because that just shows that, you can get better the next time you do it. So you did good. Good job.
Thank you.
Of course.